Imagine pulling up to a trail that would make most SUVs cry for their mommy, and you're just sitting there, completely unbothered. That's the Land Cruiser energy, and the 2027 model is here to keep that reputation alive. But here's the thing, it's gonna cost you a little more this time around. So, is it still worth it? Let's break it down. Toyota's new generation Land Cruiser has been on the market for a few years now, and honestly, they got it right from the jump. It looks tough, it performs tough, and off-road, it's practically in a class of its own. But people have had three main complaints. The base trim feels a little bare bones. The fuel economy isn't exactly impressive for a hybrid, and the price keeps climbing every single year. So for 2027, the base 1958 trim now starts at $59,375. That's $725 more than last year, which was already $750 more than the year before. The upper Land Cruiser grade sits at $64,220. Yeah, it's creeping up there. But here's what's new and actually pretty cool. Toyota is now offering a factory-installed snorkel for $980. That's a high-mounted air intake that helps you wade through water and kick through dusty trails without choking your engine. That's a legit off-road upgrade right there. On top of that, rear seat ventilation is now available through the premium package, so your backseat passengers aren't roasting alive on summer road trips. The premium package itself runs about $4,905 extra, but it throws in a 14-speaker JBL audio system, a power moonroof, a head-up display, a digital rear-view mirror, illuminated running boards, and more. And if you want to give your Land Cruiser a darker, more aggressive look, there's a brand new color called Inked, and it comes at zero extra cost, clean. Now let's talk competition, because at this price point, you have two. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo for WD starts at just $42,915 to even get close to the Land Cruiser's base price. You'd have to go all the way up to the Grand Cherokee Limited Reserve, and you'd still have over $5,000 left in your pocket. At the top trims, the Grand Cherokee Summit comes in about $1,625 cheaper than the Land Cruiser. So on paper, Jeep looks like the better deal, but hold on, powertrains matter. The Land Cruiser runs a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid four-cylinder pushing out 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-ft of torque. That torque number is massive. The base Grand Cherokee V6 only makes 293 horsepower and 260 pounds-ft. Jeep's newer Hurricane 2.0-liter Turbo 4 does get close. 324 horsepower and 330 pounds-ft, but it doesn't have any electrification. On fuel economy, the Land Cruiser gets 22 city, 25 highway, 23 combined. The Jeep V6 trails slightly at 19/26, 22, though the Hurricane engine matches at 21/26, 23. Worth noting though, the Jeep runs on regular fuel, saving you roughly $300 a year compared to the Land Cruiser's premium requirement. So where does that leave us? The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser is still one of the most capable, most iconic off-road SUVs you can buy today. The heritage styling, the raw trail performance, and the Toyota badge still carry serious weight. The new snorkel option and interior upgrades show Toyota is listening to what buyers actually want. Yes, the price is getting harder to justify compared to the competition, and Toyota's reliability reputation has taken a small hit from some recent recalls. But if you want a serious off-road machine with real character and a legendary bloodline, the Land Cruiser still delivers in a big way.